Threads has recently rolled out the keyword search feature in India and a few more countries. So, let's find out more in this video.
Threads has expanded its keyword search feature to more countries, including India, as well as other English and Spanish speaking countries like Argentina, Mexico, the UK, and the US. The feature was initially tested in Australia and New Zealand. According to Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg, the feature will soon be available in more countries. Threads allows users to post text-based content and join public conversations. Posts can be up to 500 characters and can include links, photos, and videos of up to 5 minutes. Previously, it only allowed users to search for people. However, this update will refine the search experience for users and allow them to search for relevant threads and keywords. The web version of the app was launched in August. Despite having an impressive start with more than a whopping 100 million signups within just 5 days of its launch, Threads has seen a decline in usage. As per data by SimilarWeb, its usage declined by 79% after a month. The app was launched in the first week of July 2023 and was seen as a rival to the platform X, which was formerly known as Twitter. It remains to be seen if this newly introduced feature will help Threads attract new subscribers and retain existing ones.
So that's all we have in today's video. Stay tuned to Gadgets 360 for all things tech.